Homika vacuum test. Let's see if your girl can outperform my AMZ vacuum. I already know it can, but I'm going to put a cup of rice on both sides, and we're going to see how your girl performs. No, Willow. No. Homika, AMZ vacuum. We're going to put it on the highest setting. No, Willow. Do you see all that rice coming out there? Ah! All right, we're going to clean her up with the Homika. It's still coming out. Y'all, that was a real life disaster in real time. Both vacuum buttons, I leaned them up against the counter and they both released all the rice, okay? And I wish I would have caught this on video because I have two other stick vacuums. One that I've had for a year that the roller motor went out because of my dog. And then that AMZ vacuum that I was testing that I literally just got 4 months ago, okay? To the Homika vacuum, trying to suck up the rice that spilled everywhere over here. The only one that picked it up was the Homika vacuum. The suction power is amazing, y'all. It's linked in the cart below and it's on flash sale.